party people, how are you guys doing? Happy Friday. It's Mini Friday, you guys. So today we're going to be playing with $17. I know it's not a lot, but small amounts do it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, $17. And I do have Happy Meal. I will go ahead and do the Happy Meal first. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jincy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you would like to follow my journey, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, click that notification bell. Click on that bell so you get a notification when I go and post videos, so you don't miss any of my other videos. This Happy Meal, you guys, I just opened it like that. It's from Jen on a Budget. Yep, that's my receipt. So let me exit that out. Okay. Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. This is so exciting, you guys. I love her challenges. I was so excited I was able to get some. And yeah, thank you for supporting my small business. So, you guys, I love it. I will tag her on the description box so you guys can go ahead and follow her on her YouTube. But look, there she is. Oh my gosh! Look at this cuteness. You guys, I almost got, I think, almost all of the scratch off. Maybe I didn't get 1 or 2. But, oh my gosh, I just love her scratch off. This is heavy. Okay, I'm so excited, Jen. Ah! You guys, I love her scratch off. They're different. She's the only one that makes them like this. So basically she creates whatever theme it is. She tries to create the theme as a scratch off. I hope that makes sense. Okay, first thing first. Oh my gosh, oops, look at this. Look at the cute little little charm. I'm gonna put this on one of my little binder. I don't know which one, but I will. Oh my gosh. Okay, get this out the way. And then we have a cute little tulip paper clip. So adorable. Oh, those are freebies, I believe. Yes. Okay, so here's her little card. Look at the cute little tulip paper clip, you guys. So adorable. For my binders too, I'm gonna have a paper clip. I think it's almost as this, the same. No, I don't know. I don't remember, but hint. All right. So here's the little thank you card, so you guys can go ahead and follow her on Instagram, on YouTube, and yeah. I love it, love it. And then the cute little stickers that says, proud of you, self-love is the best love. And she gave me a cute little scratch off daily reminder, like empower, you can and you will, like little reminders. So cute. Love, love, love. Let me do this like this. So freaking cute. Okay. And here we go. I had to, you guys. I gotta get all of it. Okay, so let your heart decide. Look. Okay, but you see that? Oh my gosh, look at the scratch off. And they're all 100. Every beauty needs her beast. Learn to love your inner monster. Oh, I love Monster Inc., you guys. Look at all the little characters in there. You see them? How effing cute. Life is better at Disney. Oh my gosh. I have only gone to Disney in Orlando one time, and that's when me and Alex met, and we went for my birthday, and I had the best time ever. Nobody gets left behind or forgotten. So freaking cute. You guys, the new movie is coming. I'm ready for the new movie. Woo! I'm ready for the new movie. I love Stitch. I'll be honest with you. I'm just now getting into kids movie. I didn't really had a childhood like that, like honestly. So now I'm getting into the kids movie and kids character because of my kids, you guys. I know I'm a 27-year-old girl and just now getting into stuff like this. So hey, it's never too late. It's never too late. Once upon a time, so effing cute. And then we have you're the one who can fill the world with sunshine. And last but not least is the little Pooh. Oh my gosh, look at Pooh. Pooh, Piglet, Tigger. Oh my gosh, the honeycomb. Oh, obsessed. Keep me in your heart. I will stay forever. So they're all $100. I told Alex we needed to go to Disney again when the kids are bigger. Well, mainly Dylan. Dylan is the youngest. And trust me, with him, it's so hard to go to places because, you know, kids, I don't have to explain. Okay, let me take a cute thumbnail. But yeah, so today we're playing with $17. Not a lot, you guys, but it is what it is. You gotta work with what you got. And, you know, that's life. Dylan is coming upstairs. I hear him. So, mini Monday. I mean, mini Freebie Friday, you guys. I can't think. Yes, Dylan. Hi, Dylan. Yes, I made a mess. I made a mess. He sees that I made a mess with the packaging. Yes, yes. What? What? He's looking at my old stuff in there. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna take a thumbnail picture, guys, but I will. So yeah, so happy Friday. Can't believe it's Friday already. Like, what in the world? Where is time going by? You're gonna hear Dylan. So I'm so sorry. Let me do this first, like this. Hold on. And then I get into managing how I'm gonna take a picture. So yeah, so you guys, I'm sorry if you hear Dylan. So you will hear him. He's there. So hey, it is what it is. Nothing I can do. So yes, I can't believe it's Friday already. You guys, please, 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 I ask you a favor to watch my ads when I get any ads on my video. So any money that I get from YouTube, I'm actually going to use it for my emergency fund. So if you could help me with that, that'd be amazing. This month is going okay. I don't think I will get paid next month because this month we're so low. But hey, anything adds up. I would probably get paid every 2 months, you guys. But I am thankful and grateful. I am going to get paid the next week, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to get paid next week. My first paycheck from YouTube. It's not big, but it's a blessing. Okay? All right. Let me take a cute thumbnail picture. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Let me do it like this. Should I do it like this? I hope so. Hold on. Oh my gosh. So sorry. Okay. Probably like this. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese. Oh, thank you so much, Jen. I cannot wait to use them. So excited for them. Oh my goodness. Love it. You always create the most. And she said she's going to create new ones soon. And I'm like, oh, what is it going to be? Oh, I forgot my dice in the thumbnail. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. $17. Not a lot, but hey, it is what it is. 3. Number 2. I need, again, number 2 so I can finish that one. Please. Number 2. Yes! I'm done with that one, you guys. That's exciting. Oh my goodness. Awesome sauce. Okay, no more number 2, please. I need anything else, but no more number 2. Number 3. Okay, number 1. Awesome. No more number 2. You know what? No, you want to roll the dice? Okay, roll the dice. No, don't take the dice. Roll the dice. You guys, Dylan's nail grows so fast. I just cut his nail maybe a week and a half ago. No. Go get the dice. Go get the dice. Yes, go get the dice. And his nail grows like bananas. Oh my gosh. Okay, one number. Come here. Right here. Oh my goodness, Dylan. Aquí. Roll it right here. Okay, roll it here. Ready? Okay, here. Number 5. Yay! Again. Oop. Number 6. Yay! Again. 3 more times. Oh goodness, why number 2? What? Come on. Number 6 and one more. Oh, snappy. Oh man. Okay, last one. I need to cut his fingernails. Oh no, again. Try again. Okay, it landed on number 3, you guys. That's it. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Yes. All done? Okay. Thank you. All done. Yay! That's not 9, Papi. It's 6. All right. So yeah. So I need to cut his fingers now, and I legit cut them like a week and a half ago. I don't know why his fingernails grow so fast, and then it gets so dirty underneath there so fast too. I'm gonna cheat, you guys. Whatever money I have left over here, I'm gonna use it for vacation for this one because I really want to get stuff going. So let me start on that one first, okay? I know. But this is the thing about this. You make your own rules. Hey, you know, it is what it is. And the only reason I'm doing that is because I really want this to get done fast. Yes, Papi? Mommy. All right, so this one I only needed $2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, no, guys. I'm so sorry. Hey, can you stop, please? So he's underneath the table because he's clicking on the train. Y'all remember the train for Christmas? Oh my goodness. Yes. Mommy. No. Mommy. Dylan. Yes. I see the train. Can you stop, please? I'm sorry, guys. Okay, let me try to do this as fast as I can. So this one needed $2. And we are done with this one. So that's amazing. And this is going to go towards my vacation too, you guys. Yeah, okay. So let's count how much money I actually saved on this one going towards my vacation. It's going to be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, $32. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. $32. Yes! My next cash stuffing, I'm going to add that $32. Oh my goodness. All right, next I'm gonna get this one, and this is going to be for $2. Okay, so each little bee is going to be $2, and I'm not gonna add anything to it because I want to use this. Yes, Papi. Okay, and this is from Life with Me. Yes. Yeah, the car. You see the car? All right, so this one has 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I can do it 3. Oh my gosh, I can do it 3. So let me do the luggage. So a luggage done. So $3, and I'm gonna keep this for this one. Okay, I know this is a little bit out of place, you guys. We're just going everywhere. I'm so sorry, but I don't know. Just kidding. Look, I had $1 left over from last time. Okay, forget it. I'm gonna get that $1 out and going to X out a 2. Oh my gosh. So a 2 is going to be a ticket. So yes. Oh my goodness. We're so close there. Okay, we are so close. This one is for $84. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. You guys. The struggle is real today. Okay, next. This one right here, it has some leftover of $2. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, we're so close. We need $2 more. If I have any, no, I'm not gonna have anything left over from there. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. You guys, what in the world? Oh, that's the wrong one, of course. It will be the wrong one. It's okay. Okay, so that means that I only need $2 more, you guys, to complete that one. Yay, so close. Maybe for Lucky Sunday. Yes, for sure. For sure, Lucky Sunday. Okay. So there's that. Awesome sauce. I'm trying to hurry up too, guys, because I want to get to cleaning the house. All right, this one, guys, it got $3, and I rolled a 6, and we ain't gonna do anything because we are far away from getting that 6. We need $3 more. This one here, it has 1, 2, and I believe I need 12 so I can scratch the next one. This is from Taylor. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yay! We got it. We got 12, you guys. Now we can scratch the next one. Okay, let's see what the next scratch off is going to be. I'm sure it's going to be a high number. There's no doubt. No doubt on that. Okay. See? I knew it. $16. This is going to take a long time, but it's okay. It's going to be a good amount. $16, so I need $15 more. $15 more. Okay. Okay, we got this. We got this. All right. Next, this one got $2, and it has some leftover of 3, 4, 5. So that's $5. Ooh, we need one more because we're trying to get the highest, which is going to be a 6. You guys, I'm telling you, this one is going to take a long time because it's a very high number. And that's okay. That's okay. All right, guys. Well, this was a little bit of a longer video. I did not expect that, but hey, it is what it is. Up to 15 minutes already. Oh my gosh, I hope you watched the video. If you did, leave me a B emoji if you watched throughout the whole video. A B emoji. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate all of you guys for being here and dealing with my crazy self. With my hot mess express. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for spending your time, because your time is precious, and choosing it with me. And I see you guys back again tomorrow. Tomorrow we're doing the holiday binder. I don't know which one it is because I missed last Saturday. Last Saturday I missed it. So I can't remember what was last Saturday. So yeah, but tomorrow is holiday binder, so come back for tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful Friday. I'll see you back again tomorrow. Adios.